Guys, this is Rajesh and you're watching Input Output Campus. So today in this video we'll discuss about a new topic of ReactJS, which is JSX and JS. So what is JSX? How to use JSX in React? So the full form of JSX is JavaScript XML. So JSX allows us to write and add the HTML code in ReactJS. Okay, so we'll see how to use JSX in your React app, and we'll see in some very easy way and with some very basic example. Okay, the same folder structure is here which we are working in the previous video. So in the source folder we'll go to the index.js and then we'll go to the app.js. So as I told before, JSX allows us to write and add HTML in React. So you can see this is a React, and in this React we have already added the HTML code here. So in the previous video we have seen this example. Okay, let's edit this. Okay, let's keep it side by side. So here we have used this div. So if we remove this div from here, and you can see this HTML tag is still working fine. Let's save it. So how it is possible to write the HTML code inside the React? So this is only possible because there is a compiler inside this React. So as you can see in this index.html, we have import this React from this React. So we have installed this React and this React DOM. So we can write all the code in one file. Like we can remove this F component from here, and okay, just remove this from here and write all your code here, and finally save it, and you can see the output is same. So just remove this app.js file from here, or remove this import f from here, and finally save it, and you can see it is compiled successfully. So here we can write this HTML tag or HTML syntax here only because there is a compiler inside this React. So what is the name of the compiler? And the name of the compiler is Babel. So this Babel convert the HTML to JavaScript. So if we write here HTML, it will automatically convert to JavaScript and show the desired output to us. So as there is a Babel compiler present inside this React, so for that reason we can write HTML inside JavaScript or JavaScript inside HTML. So this is one of the biggest advantage. So hope you understand what is JSX. Now we can see here inside this render there is one HTML element present. So this render method render only one element at a time. So if we write here multiple element, like if we write here h2 and then write here please subscribe now, then you can see it gives some error. You can see the size, and JSX expression must have one parent element. Okay, so to give a parent element, just give here a div, and inside this div we can write here multiple element. So inside this div we can use multiple elements. Okay, so now if we save this, and you can see the output, input output campus, please subscribe now. Okay, so in this way we can use multiple elements inside the render method. So if we write here like a fee tag, and inside this like some text like please like the video, and give here another paragraph tag like share the video with your friends and subscribe now, and another text like press the bell icon. So just save it, and you can see the output. Now you have learned how to use HTML in our React app using JSX. Okay, so now we'll see how to use JavaScript inside this HTML. So how we can write JavaScript inside this? So for that, suppose give here a name like const name is equals to this. Just cut it from here and write it here. And inside this h1, just give the constant name. So its name is name. And if you save this, you can see the output is printing as name. So it's printing the variable name. So how we can use this variable name inside this HTML? So to use this JavaScript inside this HTML, you have to write the variable name under this, between these curly braces. Just write these curly braces, and inside the curly braces write your variable name, and then if you save this, you can see the output is input output canvas. Okay, so you can see how easy it is to use JavaScript inside HTML. So we can do the similar things for these variables also. So just for practice purpose, give here the constant name for each of this HTML element. Okay, so this is for subscribe, so let's write here const subs, and then just cut it from here and give here subs. Similarly, cut it from here and give here const like, and right here insert the JSX like, insert the, and just cut it from here and give your variable name const share, and right here the variable name share, and then cut this from here and right here subscribe, and give your text name, and then right here subscribe. Finally cut it from here and give here const notification, and right here notification. Okay, and finally save it, and you can see the output is same. So in this way we can write the HTML inside JavaScript and JavaScript inside HTML. If we want to write some other text like reactjs full course, and then we want to give here a date like a year. Okay, so we can write here a year like this, and then we can write here the year inside a variable. Suppose we want to get the year from date function. So how we can do that? We can just write a new, and then date function, and then write here the function get full year, and then save it, and you can see reacjs full course 2023. So if we change it to like this h3 and save it, and you can see reacjs full course 2023. And if we don't want to write this thing here and we want to write this thing outside of this render function, then we can do it easily, like just remove this from here, and here we can write new date, and we can store the date inside a variable like date variable, and then we can use this date and store it inside another variable like full year, and then write this date dot get full year, and just copy this full year variable from here and just paste it here and save it, and you can see the output is same. Okay, so hope you learned how to use JSX in React app. Still, if you have any queries or questions regarding this, then please do comment below. And thank you for watching this video, and in the next video we'll see some other new concept in reactjs, so don't skip that video. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.